It's just a monster. Let's go. Yeah! Yeah, boy! Look at him in there. Yeah, boy. Smells good, eh? Yeah, fresh roach. All over the show. Gonna do a step-by-step of how to cook a cray properly. We're doing cook up, and the big thing is, yeah, steak and making those legs good, because that's the main event. Let's go. Specimen and a half. Definitely get a wicked feed out of the legs and horns. My favourite bit, as you know. Something like that. Free protein. But get the salt water boiling. Always use ocean water when you can, or dump a shitload of salt in. Whilst we're waiting for that to boil, a little bit about this cray. Western Rock Lobster. They are only found in WA, from pretty much Exmouth to as far as about Albany, maybe Esperance at a stretch. Then they turn into Southern Rock Lobsters that go all the way around to New South Wales. They get heaps of them down Tasmania and New Zealand. Obviously world renowned for their crays. Arguably the Southern Rock Lobster is better, but what you get once you start going north on both sides, east and west coast, is painted crays and ornate crays. We call them green crays. I call them mother-in-law crays. I wouldn't feed them to a cat if I ever owned one, which I never would because I hate cats.
A few moments later.
Look at him. So they do get bigger, but he's just a good male specimen. Water's nearly ready. We're going to drop the big boy in. And yeah, basically going to be doing the legs with steak, which you know I love. The cray tail, I'm going to do pickle. I just reckon cray legs are the best. And as I was hoping, we just got so many pregnant females off the north side, which we don't generally get. Generally just all whites. So well, there's got to be big boys cruising around doing the deed. So yeah, I'm gonna do it boiled, big cray like this. Normally most crays you bring it back to the boil, and it's the old man does 11 minutes. I reckon that's too long. I reckon 9 minutes. A little bit longer for this guy. He's a bit fatter, but the proof is in the legs, and you'll see. And I'll catch you for that section very soon. Just wait for this water to go. He's a good boy. We have kept him in the fridge and just basically a wet towel on top. That'll keep him alive 3 days. You can keep him in your esky for 3 days. That's how they pack them to go over to China and Japan and all that. They pack them in ice bricks with hay or straw, and literally they'll last. I've given mates crays, put them in their esky, and they've literally come to life after 3 days. Water's nearly on. Want to do this big boy justice because he's good cray. I've got no idea what that'll be worth at a shop, but you wouldn't want to pay for a whole at a restaurant. I saw red emperor fillet for, I'm not joking, $139.95 a kilo. What fish is worth $140 a kilo? You are kidding me. Anyway, must be to do with the bloody stupid demersal ban that they put in WA. Yeah, whatever. But yeah, everything's pretty nuts over here. The point is, It's not a green cray, so it actually tastes good. You actually want to eat it. You actually give a shit about it. Big dog coming in. Nice. He's so big, I gotta fold his legs in. This is the biggest pot I own, and it is seriously 1 cray per pot. This big boy. So we're going to do, I might do my old man's time, 11 minutes, once it's back to the boil. Start to think about it. Oh, smells good, eh? I love grey legs. Yeah, so we'll hit that as soon as it boils, and we'll time it for, we'll give it 11 minutes because it's a big boy. And the proof will be in the legs, the eating of the legs never lies. Alright, so whilst that's boiling, I just want to show you one more cool thing that's happening in the garden. Look at our nanas. I've got a bunch out there. I think they're little ones, so they won't go much bigger, but look at this bunch. That is happening. Big old acorn on the bottom. So this bit, cut it off, and you can make, apparently it's the banana flour, you can make a salad out of it or something like that, but I might do it one day. Yeah, if my balls fall off and I feel like dyeing my hair blue and start believing that crystals can be recharged by the moonlight, all that sort of stuff, then I'll knock up a big episode on making banana flour salad. Until then, we're going to stick to protein. Got cold water for it to dunk straight into. 'Tis time. Little tip for you guys diving. I can probably pull this cray out with the big feelers, but when you're actually diving for them, grab them by these ones. These don't break off. Those big ones, oh, he's pretty heavy. Little weapon. The big ones break off. Never grab the feelers, the little ones. Straight in some cold water, which is actually seawater as well. Tastes so much better. Everything's seawater than salted water. Anyway, we eating roach. Big Daddy Roach is done. Don't pour out the water on the garden because it's salty. Plants won't like it. Hey, look at this boy. Oh. Nice cray. Just heavy. Like I say, if you're going to pull crays, grab them by these feelers because they don't come off. Grab them by them, which everyone does. They just snap off. Put them on my bed of banana leaves. Not wait till he stops dripping because my little gaps for drainage. Purposely put them in there, obviously. Nothing to do with having a fireplace around the place. Can we get a stop it? Alright, let's see how we did. Simple as this. Legs are for eating. Get rid of that bit. If you cooked it well, then this bit right here should pop out and if you know, you know. But yeah, crays that are worth eating this section are decent. We don't bother with the little ones. Stuff that up, but that's cool. Cray's got like 10 legs, so we got more. Yeah. We know that. So we smash these legs, gonna do a steak, put all this purple crap away. Apologise for the feminine side of it, but main thing was we achieved what we wanted, which is protein. Cooked perfect. We made the most of a decent cray. I'm gonna pick up its tail. Next cray I get this big, I reckon we might do like big mornay. That's a meal in itself. So, we taste that. That's so good. Oh wow. Yeah. Like I say, that is cooked good. What's this one? Excuse me. Wicked. I'll fry up the steak. Have the legs with that. Knock the tails out with some all our homegrown herbs and bits and pieces. If you like the episode for whatever reason, let us know. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment, hit the like, subscribe, all that sort of shit. Check it on your boys and just get out there and eat protein over whatever the hell I'm gonna do with that. Yeah, boy. That's how you cook a crayfish. Oh, that's how you cook a West Australian rock lobster, which I just found down here. I think if you caught the green crays, you could probably throw them in oil, like lightly saute them, and then throw them in the bin because they are so shit compared to this. But anyway, that's how we cook. Well, that's how I cook the Western Rocks boiled. Be good. See you on the next one. Yeah, so
Oh yeah, it's only half the size of it. Look.
when you dive down and see a massive cray and think, oh yep, big cray,
Look at it.
long feelers.
That's like
Wrong.
a new one.
So this has been snapped off here and is regrown, and it is nowhere near it. So no, you're not right.
It's a shorter than that one, yeah.
Look at these feelers. Tiny little cray. That's just size compared to that. So yeah, when you see feelers hanging out, it does not mean it's a big cray. That is big cray. Look at the size of him. So this is one of the biggest crays I've ever caught in my entire life. It's just a monster. It's heavy. It's a good crack.
Very funny.
Monster cray legs coming up.